Alright, welcome to part 6 on how to maintain your own lawnmower. So this video, we're going to be talking about cleaning up the mower. So you'll want to do this periodically throughout the season. So like all these grass and leaves and stuff up here and even in the deck, you'll want to clean out periodically. And there's not a whole lot to it, so I'll just go ahead and clean up this mower while you guys watch. Alright, so this is what I'm considering to be clean. No, I didn't wash it, but in this case, you saw I got all the old material off of it, and you want to remove that stuff for a couple of reasons. The biggest reason is you could start a fire. Stuff's next to a hot engine, it's dry, next thing you know it could light up. Next reason you'd want to do it is these engines are air cooled. So if that stuff is in the cooling fins, it'll cause the engine to overheat and possibly ruin your engine. And then for me, the third and, well, I guess not final. The third reason you'd want to clean that stuff off is to keep the moisture off the deck, which will keep it from rotting out if you've got a metal deck like this one. Then, fourth reason you'll want to clean it out from the underside is it helps the airflow under there. So like this mower, I'm not sure on exactly, but some of the mulching mowers have specially designed decks with special curves and stuff, and you don't really want to affect those aerodynamics too much. Alright, well, thanks for watching this video. We've got one more part to this series, so thanks for watching.